understand and rectify your mistakes in real time, significantly speeding up the learning process. So, AI tutors are not just about delivering information, they are about creating a personalized learning journey. They are here to transform the way we learn, making education more accessible, engaging, and effective than ever before. Now, let's dive into how AI tutors can help you master design software. Imagine having a personal tutor that's available round the clock, tailoring lessons to your personal learning style and pace, and providing immediate feedback. This is exactly what AI tutors bring to the table when it comes to learning design software. AI tutors employ a step-by-step learning approach, breaking down complex design processes into smaller, manageable tasks. This method not only makes learning easier, but also makes it more engaging. Each step is like a puzzle piece, and as you progress, you start to see the bigger picture, your design taking shape. Furthermore, AI tutors provide practical exercises to reinforce learning. These aren't just random tasks, but exercises derived from real-world design scenarios. So not only are you learning, but you're also building a portfolio of practical work showcasing your skills to potential employers. But that's not all. One of the key benefits of AI tutors is their ability to provide instant feedback. Imagine drawing a line that's supposed to be straight, but it's not. The AI tutor doesn't wait until the end of the session to point out your mistake. It'll tell you right away, allowing you to rectify your mistakes in real time. This immediate feedback loop accelerates learning and helps you avoid developing bad habits. With AI tutors, mastering design software is no longer a daunting task, it's an exciting journey. So, what have we learned today? We've discovered the incredible impact of AI in education, particularly through AI tutors. These digital mentors operate through complex algorithms, offering personalized learning experiences. They're remarkably effective, especially in mastering design software, where they can guide us step by step, adapting to our pace. Remember, the future of education is here, and it's powered by AI. Embrace this change and make learning a thrilling experience.